This is the top 10 video games that you played when you were teeny. Number 5. Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic the Hedgehog is a very popular game with your favorite blue hedgehog, Sonic. Number 4. Super Mario Bros. This game is for boomers. It's everyone's favorite plumber or carpenter, Mario and Luigi. Number 3. Apple Shooter. This was for all the cool kids back then. Number 2. This was also for the cool kids. Super Smash Bros. Donkey Kong says that wasn't funny. Number 1. Roblox. Roblox is a very popular game made in 2008 or 4 or 5. I forgot. But anyways, Roblox is a very popular game. People are still playing it to now. People still love it and they still like it. Just like me, I still play Roblox today. It's a pretty good game. Oh, number 0. JETPACK Joyride. This is for all the cool Zoomers. That is cool. Yeah. JETPACK Joyride.